Today we're gonna make cookies with cumin seeds. They're not too salty, not too sweet. It's kind of like 50-50. So let's just make the cookies. So for the cookies we need 175-gram butter and it's room temperatured. Now we add half cup brown sugar, 2/3 cup refined sugar. We add it in. And we mix it and mix it till it's creamy. You have to mix it very well, okay? So now when it's creamy, we're gonna add 1 egg in it. Here's the 1 egg. And we're gonna add a few drops of vanilla extract. A few drops only. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Because we used unsalted butter, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. But if you used salted butter, you can add less salt. And we're gonna mix. So we mix it. Okay. So next we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it. Two tablespoons of cornstarch. 3 tablespoons. And mix it. So we mix it. Now we have 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. We're gonna add it in 3 portions. Goes the 1 portion. Every time you add a portion, you need to mix it. So as you can see, it's getting very thick. So we're going to take it out of the bowl and then mix it with our hands and knead it as well. And make it into a dough. So we took it out of the bowl and now we're going to add the cumin seeds. We need 1.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds. But if you like more cumin seeds in your cookies, you can add more. We're going to knead it. So the flour and the cumin seeds will be mixed well. And make it into a dough. And here we have 2 tablespoons of flour for the dusting. we're gonna dust it. And then knead it well. So now our dough is ready. So the dough is ready. We're gonna roll it and cut it with a cookie cutter and then set it in our parchment tray. So the dough is ready and we set our baking tray with the parchment paper. So we're going to take another piece of parchment paper and roll our dough inside the parchment paper and cut it. We're going to take half of our dough and make a big bow. Fold it in half and then roll it. So we rolled it. I'm using a round cookie cutter, but you can use any shape you like. So you can make it as thin as you like, but you can't make it thicker than 1 cm. I'm going to use the both sides. And then set it in my baking tray. See how thick it is? Set it in our baking tray. I'm going to do the same with the rest. Now I put my cookies on the tray and we're going to put this tray in the oven. So here are our cookies ready. Hope you liked our recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe and share and comment down below. And hope you enjoy our cookies. Bye!